everybody! Did you know that the Yardbird is known for the best fried chicken in Miami Beach? Join me as we dive into the mouth-watering challenge of tasting and reviewing dishes at Yardbird Table and Bar, nestled in the heart of Miami Beach. Yardbird is a breath of fresh air. It's a place where you can indulge in classic Southern comfort food. Stepping into Yardbird is like stepping back in time. Rustic charm, warm lighting, and a friendly staff create a cozy and inviting atmosphere. It's a place where you can relax, enjoy great food, and feel right at home.
I smell the chicken.
The menu at Yardbird is a love letter to Southern cuisine with dishes that read like a greatest hit list of comfort food classics. From the creamy richness of their mac and cheese to the crispy gold brown perfection of their fried chicken. Every dish is a testament to the kitchen's commitment to quality and authenticity, with a focus on showcasing the freshness and quality of the ingredients. The portion sizes are huge to say the least, so come hungry and be prepared to leave feeling satisfying.
I'm getting the fried chicken.
Okay.
But I need something else probably.
Folks, do we have any questions at all?
I'm hungry. It appears it doesn't come with anything, just the chicken. You have to get like a salad
Yes,
or...
with that one you just get the 4 pieces of fried chicken a la carte. The good news is that everything here is super low calorie.
Oh, okay.
I'm sure. Okay, I'm gonna get the fried chicken and waffle.
And I'm going to get the rotisserie food. What is this chilled spice watermelon?
So it's just cubed watermelon, a little bit of lemon juice, fresh made cayenne pepper. A little palate cleanser.
Oh, that must be the cornbread.
What I think sets Yardbird apart is its commitment to using only the freshest, highest quality ingredients sourced from the best local farms and purveyors.
Honey hot sauce.
This is for the chicken, the honey hot sauce.
Yes. And then the bourbon.
Maple. For the waffle.
I'll leave you your sharing place just in case.
Oh, yeah. I'm probably going to sit.
Oh wow, this looks really, it smells
Oh, my
great.
gosh. Jim.
Just be careful, this red plate is hot, okay?
Okay.
Would you like some honey butter for your waffle?
Probably not.
Okay.
It's bad enough for me.
Yeah, good willpower, so.
I love this food.
Now, let's talk about the food. The portions here are absolutely massive. It's like they've got a bottomless pit.
Most curious about is this has got like spicing.
Kind of like a Trader Joe's pineapple with jalapeno. This watermelon, what do they do to it?
They have lime and like chili something.
Is it good or is it horrible?
Oh, it's good.
I'll try some for myself. I don't know what they did to it, but I like it.
They had lime. Oh, try the mashed potatoes. Yeah, you gotta walk in, you gotta hold your foot in. You're gonna trip somebody. You can't sit like that.
The mashed potatoes are excellent.
Yeah.
I love them. These may be the best mashed potatoes I've ever had.
Yeah. Yeah.
Now I'm going to try this chicken that they're known for.
Even a KFC guy like myself was blown away. The crust was crispy, the meat was juicy, and the seasoning was spot on.
I can't stop eating this chicken. It's just so good.
The chicken's good too. The chicken's good too.
Now I'm going to try this chicken that they're known for.
Okay.
Fried chicken.
Let me try.
You know what? I had low expectations. I was thinking maybe we should go to Colonel Sanders. This is good chicken though. I like it. What did they do to it? The syrup goes on the waffle, but that goes on the chicken, the hot sauce. I'm gonna try some of their hot sauce. How hot is it? Is it good or? I like the sauce, it's hot and interesting, but the chicken is so delicious it doesn't really need it.
That's what I'm thinking.
I can't stop eating this chicken, it's just so good. You know what? I had low expectations. I was thinking maybe we should go to Colonel Sanders. This is good chicken though. I like it. What did they do to it? The syrup goes on the waffle, but that goes on the chicken, the hot sauce. I'm gonna try some of their hot sauce.
Put some of this here.
So you dip it.
I would think it would be easier to dip it.
Okay. I like the sauce. It's hot and interesting, but the chicken is so delicious it doesn't really need it.
That's what I'm thinking. These are not gonna drop.
Now, do you know anything about why they serve waffles with fried chicken? Because one's for breakfast and one's for dinner.
I don't know why.
I'm on my way to the restroom. What's kind of interesting is it feels like you're in a farm or a pumpkin patch. Look how they have these watermelons displayed. I like this place. So I asked the server, and they say there's a guy named John Kunkel who invented the chicken here. He grew up in a Southern family and was his grandma's recipe.
And there's a picture.
That's Grandma Llewellyn. Let's look at Grandma Llewellyn. Grandma Llewellyn, thank you for inventing the chicken. Now for our conclusion. Let me tell you our thoughts. So if you're ever in Miami Beach and craving some Southern hospitality and delicious food, Yardbird is a must visit. It's a place where you can experience the best of both worlds. The vibrant energy of Miami and the comforting flavors of the South. Thanks for watching, folks, and we'll see you next time on Tidy Island. If you've been to Yardbird, I'd love to hear about your experience in the comments below. Got a favorite dish? A recommendation for another Southern restaurant I should try? Share it with me. And don't forget to subscribe for more mouth-watering food reviews and culinary adventures.